How repurposing your content helps you get more followers. In today's presentation, you're going to learn why you shouldn't stop at just publishing your content in one place and why you should consider repurposing it to get more followers. What is repurposed content? This is basically content that you recycle into other formats. For example, if you have a popular blog post, you may want to create a video tutorial or a podcast about it. You can also make infographics or slide decks out of your old posts. What are the benefits of repurposing content? Number 1. It gives your old content new life. You do a lot of research before you write blog posts. If you're running out of ideas, you can simply reuse the old materials you've worked on and give it new life. This is extremely useful as it means you only do the research once, but you can keep creating many different formats for the same amount of research. You can consider repurposed content as the content that keeps on giving, as it's literally giving you multiple chances to get more eyes on your content. Number 2. You can reach new people on other platforms. If you only publish blog posts, then your reach is limited to people who visit your website. But if you repurpose your content to, say for example, videos, then people on YouTube will be able to consume your content too. If you create an infographic from your blog post content, then you can reach people who love infographics. Having different formats for your content gives your followers many different ways to link to your content, which is awesome for SEO. They have the option to link to your post, to your YouTube video, to your podcast, to your infographic, and more. Number 3. You can increase your online presence. You can establish a solid online presence just from a single blog post. Once it's been repurposed into the video, podcast, graphics, infographic, or any other format you prefer, you'll literally have your content in a dozen different places. Now, imagine if you had many valuable articles that you can repurpose. You'll be able to present yourself as an authority in your niche. And as an authority, you will be a follower magnet. New people will be following your blog, your YouTube channel, your podcast, etc. Once people discover you're in several places, they'll look you up and follow you on those other platforms too.